कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
अन्न आणि मगदा प्रशासनाने मंगळारा वागातोर आणि हणजूंच्या 20 आस्थापनांचेर धाड घाली। योग्य तो परवानो नाशिल्ल्यान आणि नितळसाण दवरिनासतना खाद्यपदार्थ तयार करपी 9 आस्थापना बंद केली, जाल्यार हेर आस्थापनांनी नितळसाण दवरची म्हणून आदेश दिला। अन्न आणि वखदा प्रशासनाचे नेम आणि अटी पाळचे म्हणून अन्न आणि वखदा प्रशासनाचो अधिकारी रिचार्ड नोरोनान आवाहन केला।
This Anjuna area, in total 19 restaurants have been covered today, and around 9 have been asked to close down. Also in this Anjuna area, some well-known restaurants selling Goan fish thalis were also found operating, flouting our norms, and we too have issued them improvement notices, and they have been asked to keep their kitchens closed till the time they have submitted a compliance to us and the compliance has been verified. This is a part of this special drive which we are doing in the late evening, and we will be covering all the top restaurants as well as the ones which are frequented, and any unhygienic premises will be asked to close down. And we also once again appeal to all the food business operators to follow the stipulated norms to ensure hygiene.
हाय सर, कितकी बंद कर लिया, सील कर लिया?
9 we have closed, 9 kitchens we have closed. In total 20 with this have been inspected. 9 have been asked to close down because their conditions were inappropriate. The others have been issued with improvement notice with some minor non-compliances. DHA license लागता, so ते आम्ही चेक केल्ले आसा, आणि जे क्लोज केल्ले आसा तितले 4 जणांचे लायसन्स सुद्धा नसलेले. सो ह्या कारणा खातीर तांकां प्रायमरीली विदाउट लायसन्स म्हणजे ते डायरेक्ट क्लोज जाता, आणि बाकीचे यांची थोड्याची जी आमची अजूनही तो पार्ट ऑफ द ड्राइव इज वेअर some of them are operating with a registration certificate. Registration certificate which is issued by FDI is for petty food businesses. जे बारीक टी स्टॉल किंवा स्ट्रीट फूड वेंडर्स हांकां आसतात, पूण जायते मोठे रेस्टॉरंटूय ही रजिस्ट्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट घेवन आपले बिझनेस ऑपरेट करता. सो हाजोय जो आसा आमी अवेरनेस केल्लो आसा, तांकां नोटीस दिवन जी प्रॉपर लायसन्स कॅटेगरी आसा तितून मायग्रेट करूंक सांगलेले आसा.